Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome live to this channel. So we have a 1998 4Runner, and this one, convertible. Actually, the quarter unit pickup, or something like cheap, but the quarter unit pickup, in Africa. But today the car is brand. And we got a little situation which I couldn't describe a little. Shit is massive. We're seeing all those wires, the fuse box, distributor, everything is brand new. But today, as an intelligent mechanic, we are taking it to be our project. So we want to turn this engine alive. So you guys have to stay tuned as we proceed. Okay guys, now we are scraping this thing down. I got my boy.
Yeah. Slow motion,
one of the biggest electricians in the car. The guy scraping his stuff down, We want to get all those printing out, and then we want to focus on getting the engine to start.
Sure.
This is one of our priority right now, our first priority. So guys, let's stay tuned as we go into the project. Here comes the battery. Timing bell have problem, and we are going to replace it. See you guys in the part 2 of this video. Like and subscribe.